Let's compare this design with this one. The first design is smooth on all sides. It has a thickness of 4 mm. The other design has a base thickness of only 2 mm. But a pattern of 2 mm thick ribs has been added around the base. The amount of material will be reduced because of the ribs. The design also looks better. Let's have a look at the rib design in the slicer. The printing time is 5 hours and 17 minutes and the weight is 134 grams. Now let's check the smooth and heavy design. The printing time is 5 hours and 42 minutes and the weight is 152 grams. So the rib design looks better and is also cheaper to produce. Want to help increasing this number? Thanks! The rib design has around 10% less material and printing time. And it's also perfectly 3D printable, because all ribs have 45 degrees overhangs. So cutting out material can improve the look of a 3D print design, but also make it cheaper. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.